Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we've got air fryer crispy pork belly. As you can see, today's no apron. So before we get started, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
This should be, we've done pork belly two different ways. On the grill, on the stove top, Dominican deep fried. We did one in the oven, and today we're gonna do on the air fryer. So again, this should be simple, long for us, short for you, about an hour in the air fryer, but we'll get there. What do we need for our ingredients? Well, first of all, pork belly. Gotta get skin on pork belly. Garlic powder, tropical, you guys seen it in our other videos, total seasoning, and adobo. Super simple, super easy, and we'll get started. Just to keep our Michael's Kitchen tradition going on, we'll get our apron and cover up my elf who's ringing away under here. You guys can hear that? So, this is too big for us. I mean, if we were having a lot of people over, we'd probably use that, but we're not gonna need all this. So we'll go ahead and pick the better side of the slab. This is more fatty, so we'll do the leaner side, and we'll go ahead and get started. So we're not using this one. Get this out of the way. And first things first, we're gonna take our very sharp blade and we're gonna score the skin. Just like our pulled pork video we did. The hard part, or I guess it's to say the most important part with pork belly is to try to get the skin dry so that it can release all the fat and crisp up. So simply scoring this. And then we're gonna do strips. We'll do, the goal to have 1-inch cubes, so we'll do some strips here, going all the way through. And then with these strips, we'll go through and dice them up, but not going all the way through the skin. So we'll go down 1 inch, all the way to the skin. Got my pork. Guys saw that sliced. Not all the way through, so it should look like, hopefully that comes out.
Yeah.
And then we'll start seasoning. So first things first, some tropical. We want to season liberally and in between where you just sliced. So if I was a betting man, I'd say about a tablespoon of tropical seasonings. Some total seasoning. Being sure to get in between the crevices. Some adobo. And last but certainly not least, sweetheart,
Garlic. Ajo.
And then right on this cutting board, I'm going to rotate these to pick up the sides and get the side seasoned as well with whatever's left on the cutting board. So I'm gonna get this out of the way just temporarily, and then I'm gonna get my aluminum foil ready. Then for my foil, I'm gonna go ahead and place these in here just like I had them, with, sorry, the meat side down. And then I'm going to seal these as tight as I can. So over, 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 and over. Get my air fry basket. Put this in here, and we're going to air fryer. So in the air fryer we're gonna go. Gonna put this in, air fry for an hour at 390 degrees for 1 hour. Set it and don't forget it. Be back when it's ringing, guys. An hour just passed. Let's get our prize. So for our next steps, because that was just step one. For our next steps, and unwrap it and drain all, if there's anything in there, we'll drain it. Without making a mess, so Triple M doesn't lose her cool. Can you guys see that now?
Yeah.
And I got one piece that doesn't want to come to the party, but it's okay. We'll get him to come back. Let me get a fork. Then I like to situate this and make this little foil boat. And then I like to take the ones that are still visibly wet. Hopefully that's coming on the video.
I can sit here.
I like to take a little fork and poke through the skin. Remember, the goal here is to get it dried so it plumps up. And then, back in the air fryer. Are you gonna come along this time or are you gonna stay over there?
I'll go.
Gonna put this in the air fryer. And now we're gonna go for 10 minutes, unwrapped, at 450 degrees. So 10 minutes, 450, and off we go. And it should be crispy when it come out. See you in 10 minutes, guys. Air fryer just rang, or 10 minutes are up. I'll go ahead and get this masterpiece out. Oops. And can you see those? Mm-hmm. They're looking really, really good.
Crispy, crispy, crispy.
The one thing I'll tell you is notice how much they shrank compared to when we first started.
So good.
Not waiting for you guys. So flip them over, cut through. You guys can hear how crunchy it is. Reminds me of los chompiras in Corona. So maybe I'll taste one or two before we get started. Can I taste one?
It's gonna be hot.
It's okay.
Okay.
Can I taste one?
Sure.
So a little bit of limon.
Crunchy. That looks good. Smells so good.
No quiero decir porque no la cree. El mejor que hemos hecho.
Well, I'll tell you when I taste it.
Guys, Merry Christmas. If you like this video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try and make. And subscribe for more. That said,
Ahora tiempo.
bye guys.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad, guys.